degrease stuff and just make it a little bit easier to work on. I've just sprayed a bunch of that Patina gloss stuff all over the engine bay. I think it's like a citrus cleaner. Just gonna give it 5 minutes for it to sit, and I'm just gonna go at it with a couple of little brushes and stuff, and just try and get everything a little bit de-shitted before I start bolting new parts on. And as well, it gives me a little bit of time while I'm waiting for like stuff to arrive. I've got pretty much everything on for the top side of the engine. Still waiting for a bunch of stuff for the front of the engine, a couple of bits for the cooling system as well. But otherwise, it's kind of just a game. I'm trying to make it less shitty, so all the new stuff looks a little bit nicer when you bolt it on. Yeah. This is probably the first car I've ever worked on I've needed to use a step to get into the engine bay. Amazon's best carb cleaner. It's all starting to come off now slowly. It's just going to be a game of brushing, degreasing, carb cleaning. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm bothering faffing about cleaning all nuts and bolts on top side of engine, and just trying to work my way around engine bay and kind of see where things are. Other than for being a bit daft and me not really knowing what I'm doing, I've got to make some improvements. So I've been spending. I've managed to pick up Holley 4-barrel. It's the Street Warrior. So it's got the manual choke and everything, just like this truck's got. I've managed to pick up all brand new linkages, everything for it. So this is gonna go on, but I can't put it on without this. So these together, plus a set of long tube headers that I've just bought, an electric ignition, electric fuel pump, water pump, all new thermostat and housing, everything for the cooling side of stuff as well. It should, in theory, be a really good runner. It runs and drives now, but I'm just sick to death of not being able to do anything with that 2-barrel carb. They don't do a rebuild kit for it, and if they do, I can't find it, and I'm pretty good at finding stuff. I cannot find anything for it. So yeah, hopefully, next time you see me doing anything on engine, it's putting all this stuff on, and hopefully it starts, and then we can see where it goes from there. I make these silly little videos just to try and be a bit more accountable. I own too many old cars. I have a barn that's 40 minutes from my home. It's really, really easy to just forget it exists. I do these, so I've got to come here. It don't have to be a winter project. It can be a constant rolling project. I think it's David Freiberger that says, don't get it right, just get it running. I think the enemy of actually enjoying yourself is perfection. Go out and do something on your car. Even if it's you clean it, take this dust cover off it, go look at it, go and make sure it exists still. Go do something, be productive, even if it is just a small job. Eventually it'll get done and you'll get to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. soon.